Welcome to Crypto Traders Club. Today's Saturday, February 11th. We're going to go through the best trading setups for the day. Taking a look at Bitcoin first. Everything that we're going to take a look at in our trade setups really depends on what Bitcoin does. As most of you know that have been in the crypto space, if Bitcoin's going up, typically everything else is pumping. If Bitcoin is crashing, usually everything else is too, just on a more severe level. So we can see on Bitcoin, we've printed a sell signal a few days ago. It's broken through this trend line, could see a bounce off of this and then a drop right back down. So this is the line that we're watching. Based on this, there's really been no volume too, so we need to take that into account. Regardless of what move Bitcoin does, it could just be a simple fake out. That when volume comes in, it could switch the other way. So just be mindful that there's really no volume going on, regardless of the price action. Taking a look at Harmony, we're going to be looking for this to pop up back to this trend line around 0.025 for a potential shorting opportunity. Taking a look at Fantom, we took this trade yesterday. We just got out right here for 5%. We had 5x leverage, so it was 25% trade. Looking for this to really bounce back down, but it did break through this trend line here, so would love to see some more upside action after the 44% move down that it's had from its recent high. Taking a look at Render's sitting pretty good on this trend line, holding support here. If we break down, the next stop is going to be around $1.15. But if Bitcoin does go up, we could see some movement on Render back up to maybe around $1.64, 65 cents. Around there, I'd be starting to take a look at getting profits. Really depends, though, what Bitcoin does, so we'll keep you guys posted on this one. ChainLink is also sitting at the very bottom of this trend line. Could be a potential good opportunity for a long. It's been holding this channel pretty good. If we do break down, we could see some price action down to around $6.27. Taking a look at ZILLIQA, it broke through this trend line. We're looking for a retest of this trend line around 0.0285 for a potential shorting opportunity, about 20% or so profit on that with a 2.5% stop loss. Taking a look at Decentraland, very similar. If you guys got into this yesterday based on our call, good job. I would just keep holding this one. It could come back up and retest. But I'm thinking we're going to see some more downside action to about 63 cents or so. Could make a 13% profit on that trade. Same thing with Cosmos. We mentioned this the other day as well. If you've gotten into this trade, you're in a pretty good spot. Could see another retest depending on what Bitcoin does, but ultimately looking for Cosmos to drop to around $11, between $11 and $11.50 for about a 20% profit on this trade. Netvrk has been trading within this range pretty good. Would love to see it drop back down to 19.5 cents, where they have pretty good support there. If it breaks through there, we're going to see some movement, most likely to around 17.5 cents. But this looks like a really good long. It's been trading within this channel pretty strongly for quite some time, since early January. Taking a look at Theta, again, another one of those setups, broke through the trend line, looking for a retest for a shorting opportunity. New one for today is GMT, SPETN. Just got some confirmation of support at 0.41, so 41, 42 cents. Looking for a potential long here. I don't think we're going to take this trade, but we'll keep you posted if we do. Could get a nice 13% profit on this trade with a pretty tight stop loss. So if you get a pretty good entry around here, maybe around 42 cents, might not be a bad idea to take this trade. And then we have Ape, so Ape Coin broke through this trend line, looking for a retest around $5.50. for about a 18% move to the downside, expecting it to trade back within this channel. So those are the trades for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the content, and also there's a link to the Discord down below where we have live trade updates every single day, and look forward to seeing you guys in there.